Is your iPhone stubbornly silent, leaving you missing calls, music, and everything in between? Let's troubleshoot that frustrating no-sound issue and get your audio back in under 2 minutes. First, the super obvious one, but crucial to check: make sure your volume isn't turned all the way down. Swipe down from the top right corner to access the control center and crank that volume slider up. Alternatively, use the volume buttons on the side of your iPhone. Next, check the ring silent switch on the side of your iPhone. If it's showing an orange indicator, it's in silent mode. Flip the switch to enable the ringer. Now, let's dive into settings. Open the settings app and tap on sounds and haptics. Make sure the slider for ringer and alerts is turned up, and test the sound by dragging the slider back and forth. Scroll down and tap Headphone Safety. Ensure reduce loud sounds is toggled off. Sometimes, this feature can mistakenly limit your iPhone's overall volume. Head back to the main settings menu and tap on Bluetooth. Make sure you're not accidentally connected to a Bluetooth device like headphones or a speaker that's stealing your sound. If you are, either disconnect from the device or turn off Bluetooth altogether to test. As always, the age-old fix: restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often clear up software glitches causing the sound problem. Press and hold either volume button and the side button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider. Then wait 30 seconds for your device to turn off. To turn it back on, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Finally, make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Go to Settings, then General, then Software Update, and install any available updates. Hopefully, one of these steps has brought the sweet sound back to your iPhone. If not, it might be time to contact Apple support for further assistance. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.